Hi everyone, my name is Christina and I'm an implementation consultant at Prosymmetry. In this video, I will be reviewing the user management tile in Tempus. In the user management tile, you can create new users, edit users, deactivate users, delete users, and unlock a user's account. To access the user management tile, I will go to Admin Settings and then click on the user management tile here. You may notice this looks like your resource management tile with your list of resources, but this tile will filter down your list of resources to the people who have the ability to log in and interact with Tempus at your organization. Within this screen, the first thing you can do is create new users here, which is essentially just creating a new resource and giving them the ability to log into Tempus in the attributes screen. So you would do this by clicking on Create User. You would give them a name and click Create. From there, you'll switch over to their attributes and identity screen and set up their global role and a custom login and password. And click Save. Then when you go back to your user management screen, they should be there as a user. Within this screen, you can also search for users here. You can filter for certain types of users. You can bring in columns with attributes that may be helpful to see within this screen, and you can group your users by those attributes as well. You can also edit users within this screen. For example, if I wanted to assign someone a different global role, I could do that right here. And I can deactivate users here by turning this is enabled attribute to no. When I do that, you will see that this user is grayed out and italicized now. You can also delete users from this screen by clicking on the ellipses next to their name and clicking delete. And when you do that, you may need to reassign them, if applicable, before you can delete them. You can also bulk edit users in this screen. For example, if you want to disable many users at once, you can do that here. You can also unlock a user's account from this screen. A user would be locked if they tried to log in with the wrong password too many times. You can determine how many times that is within your general settings. But to unlock them, the recommendation is for the administrator to first reset that user's password within this screen or within the resources attribute screen, and then pull in the is locked attribute here by selecting it from the columns option and switching it to no. This wraps up the overview on the user management tile in Tempus. I would encourage you to take a look at the Help Center section on this feature as well for an additional resource. Thanks and have a great day.